Houston, Houston, we got a problem. No, Houston, we do not have a problem. This is your mountain lion speaking. My nicknames are Puma, Panther, Cougar, but my maiden name is Puma Concolor, cat of one color. My color is a tan color, so I have a really nice color. I'm a very powerful predator. You know why? Because I can run up to 50 miles per hour. Yeah, there isn't a lot of cats that run that fast. And on top of that, my legs are really powerful, so I can jump up 15 feet up in the air. So that means it makes me a really good predator because I can catch whatever I want, whenever I want. But I'm a loner, so I walk about 300 miles a day, just, marking my territory. But Houston, you need me as your mascot.